How to download and install Grubhub food delivery app on mobile. In this video, I will guide you through all the steps. Just make sure to watch till the end. First of all, locate Play Store app on your mobile and open it. Then tap on this search icon. Type Grubhub food delivery and press enter. This is the right application with over 10 million plus downloads. Tap on it. Press install. Basically, Grubhub is a well-established online food ordering and delivery marketplace that connects customers with a wide network of restaurants. The platform streamlines digital ordering, secure payments, and delivery coordination through its integrated web and mobile systems. Grubhub is recognized for its operational efficiency, scalable logistics infrastructure, and seamless user experience. Once downloaded, it will be shown in your apps. And that's it, guys. Found helpful? Make sure to leave a like and do subscribe to the channel for more informative content. Thanks for watching.